making recording at night, I'm gonna have to be a lot quiet. But this is gonna be about how to get the sound test. And I already did play this game before, so I'm gonna use a different account, and I made a lot of accounts. This used to be dog, and I changed it to test so I can test it without doing YouTube. This one's my YouTube, so I can use this on YouTube. This is why I just get to play when I want. So the first step is to just choose the account. It's gonna choose YouTube. And you don't have to do the code where you have to do the, if you guys already know this code, you can just do, I'll show you. I'm about to turn the sound on while my mom waking up. Look. Yeah, if you do up, down, down, up, it's gonna work. And you hear a familiar tune. So then you have to go, just press any button, press OK. And you see I have nothing because I'm on a different account. Because now I'm getting all the medallions, but this is going to be about how to get the sound test. I have debug mode at first. It's kind of cool because it lets you have debug mode at first, I guess. So you see, I went to debug mode, so I have to press Y, hold Y the whole time, and then press A, but I have to hold Y the whole time. Oh, I don't know how it doesn't work. I'm gonna keep trying though, because I'm trying to get the code, so yeah, I'm holding one hand high. I'm gonna just, there you go. I don't know why it didn't work. I want debug mode, right? This was held Y, then press A. Yeah, and then you're in the sound test. So you have to put on debug mode the whole time. This is the tutorial to get the sound test. And someday I'll unlock the cheat codes. It's gonna only work when I go on like no save, because the no save isn't gonna work for the actual save one. So see you guys next time. If you want more, let me know in the comments. If you aren't able to comment, if you want more, just subscribe, like, comment. If you can't comment so I can know if you want me to do more, just like or dislike if you don't want any, or dislike if you don't want any. Like if you want more, or dislike if you don't want more. But I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.